Hello, people. It's attorney Michelle Farley, again from the woods in northeastern Pennsylvania. Look how beautiful this spot is. It's good for your mind and your body to get out into the woods. I have my dog here, my bird hunting dog, and he's working the ground back and forth with his nose. But I just wanted to come back at you with another short message. I'm breathing hard, so excuse me for that. But I am getting older here, so anyway, so today I wanted to talk a little bit about custody, because I know that although I tend to focus on uncontested divorce and mediated divorce, a lot of you who are looking at my YouTube channel or my other social media, you're desperately looking for information about custody. And I get that. So if you're going through a divorce and you have children, in Pennsylvania, the age is 18, so if you have children under 18, things tend to get pretty desperate sometimes in terms of seeking out what your divorce rights and custody rights are under law. So just a quick message about that. First of all, you do have to try to keep yourself as calm as possible for the sake of the children. Even if the divorce is coming as a surprise, try to decide together when you're going to discuss it in front of the children. Even that can't be agreed upon sometimes, unfortunately. Try not to introduce the new boyfriend or girlfriend any sooner than necessary. There's some professional literature on that, but usually you want to wait at least, in my experience, I'm going to say 6 months, so the children can get used to the idea of mom and dad not being together anymore. If your kids are 17 and 18, that may be a little bit different, but in general, don't rush to introduce the new boyfriend or girlfriend, even though you may desperately want to. So in Pennsylvania, which is where I practice, parental rights are very strong. And if you are the biological parent or the legal parent, by virtue of having adopted the children, you will have time with the children. Now, of course, that's qualified, because if you have a drug problem, you have a serious alcohol problem, you have a really terrible driving record loaded with DUI and other charges, if you are currently charged with a very serious crime, if you have been accused of certain types of child abuse, then your time with your own children can be limited, and in fact the court can require supervision. So I always want to say to people, keep your head and your wits about you. Just because your spouse is terrible to you doesn't mean they're a terrible parent. Try not to let your mind go crazy and exaggerate scenarios or make up scenarios. You really have to deal with what is actually true. And try to be a good co-parent from minute number one, because that's what the court's going to be looking to see, and that's what's best for the children. So if you think that I can help you enforce your parental rights in Pennsylvania, anywhere in Pennsylvania, please give me a call. I operate under the corporate name of Farley Law, LLC. My name is Michelle Farley. I've been a lawyer for 33 years, and I've been practicing law in Pennsylvania for 28 years, doing mostly family law. So I offer free consults, which is about 15 minutes by phone, to everyone. We can do the consultation by Zoom if you really prefer that. And if you are near me in northeastern Pennsylvania, then we can do it in person. Please give me a call at 570-269-5441 so I can arm you with information and make you feel a little bit more in control starting today.